Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a hard refresh in Google Chrome. If you've ever been stuck with a web page that just won't update, or you keep seeing old content even after you've refreshed the page, this quick trick is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to force Chrome to load the very latest version of any web page, getting rid of stubborn cached files and making sure you're always up to date. Let's jump right in. First up, you'll need to open your Google Chrome browser. It might sound basic, but I want you to actually do this with me. Go ahead and click on the Chrome icon, whether it's down on your taskbar, in your dock, or on your desktop. Once Chrome opens, you'll probably land on a home page, but feel free to navigate to any website you've had trouble updating. For example, maybe it's a social media feed, your email inbox, or a news article that isn't showing the latest information. Now, here's where things get interesting. Usually, when you hit that refresh button in Chrome, up at the top left, the little circular arrow, or when you press F5 on your keyboard, Chrome reloads the page, but it actually keeps a lot of stored data, known as cached files. This cache helps pages load faster, but sometimes it means you're seeing outdated content, especially if a site has just updated its images or layout. The hard refresh is a way to tell Chrome, hey, I want the very latest version of the page. No shortcuts. Doing a hard refresh is pretty simple, but it's slightly different depending on how you prefer to do it. Let's try the first way. Place one finger on the Control key on your keyboard. Hold it down, and then, with your other hand, click the refresh button at the top of Chrome. You want to make sure you're keeping that Control key held while you click. This combo tells Chrome to dump the old cache and completely reload the page. It's a bit like shaking out a rug to get all the dust out rather than just brushing off the top. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable with keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl plus F5 together. That's holding down the Control key and then tapping F5, which is usually at the top row of your keyboard. Sometimes, on laptops, you might need to hold down the FN key too, if your F5 has a secondary function, so don't worry if it doesn't seem to work at first. Just give that a try. After you do this, Chrome will ignore all the cached images, scripts, and files, and will freshly download everything from the website again. You'll notice, especially on sites with lots of images or recent updates, that new content loads in, and any glitches or old versions should disappear. I use hard refresh all the time, especially when working on websites or checking up-to-the-minute updates. It really clears out any cobwebs. This is a fantastic little tool to have in your digital toolkit, and you don't need any extensions or extra settings, just a simple key combo. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get the hang of it. The important thing is that you know how and why it works. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another browser trick you want to learn next. Hit subscribe so you don't miss more quick and useful tech tutorials like this. See you next time.